yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it.
Hey guys, it's your girl NajowionNicole, aka NueNew The Hair Diva, back with you with my Kiara Skye Gel Polish collection. If you've seen my previous video, which I will have linked in the iCards above, I did let everyone know that I was going to come out and show all of my new gel polishes from Kiara Skye and do some swatches. Well, to save time, I already have the swatches done. Wonderful. We don't have to be long-winded with that. However, I will open up the polishes, not every single one, but you know, the majority of them, and show you what the colors look like on the swatch, as well as closer to the end of the video I will have a couple of pictures of some nail art that I created using these gel polishes. Now, I haven't used every single color. Most of the nail art is in the nude range, but let's get on with the video. So what you see here is 15 bottles. The brand name is Kiara Skye, as you can see on there. It is a full company. They sell dip powders, acrylics, nail polish, nail drill bits, rhinestones, LED lamps, and acrylic brushes. So much more. Definitely check the description bar. I will put a link directly to their website if you are interested in purchasing some new gel polishes. Okay, I hope I don't say that 15-20 times throughout the video. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about it. The regular polishes, which look like these right here above and these here, are $12.99. I think that's a reasonable price. I have seen some gel polishes as high as $20. Right here you have the Ombre, and I only have 3 of those. Those are $14.99. All of their polishes are 15 ml bottles. They are cruelty-free, made in the USA. They ship worldwide. And you get free shipping with $99 domestic order. So I'm assuming that is within the United States. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So as far as I was concerned, these were worth trying out. When I purchased these, 2 separate orders, I got them for 20% off. So I pretty much picked out polishes that went all the way up to $120, and then I just paid $100. That's how I viewed it, best way to explain it to you. Okay, so this top row here, pretty much all of them with the exception of these last 3, I picked up nude polishes. I wanted to have different varieties of base colors to create my nail art. So I'm going to zoom in and hopefully you can see the names a lot better. We have Only Natural, Taupe-Less. This is Nude Swing, Bear With Me, Copper Out, Tan Lines. This is called the Bee's Knees, Poor Decisions. The next row we have, let me widen it so you guys can see that. we have Treasure the Night, Marilyn Merlot, Femme Fatale, Smoky Smog, and then for the ombre, we have Dreamcatcher, La La Land. When I purchased this, I thought of La La Bands here on YouTube. This made, I had to get this because it reminded me of her. And then the last one is Vicious Villains. Okay, so right here, I have swatches. And let's see. We have this first color, which is Only Natural. As you can see, it's pretty much, you know, it's not see-through, but it's definitely a sheer color. And this was great if you wanted to have your natural nails still shown under your nail art. I really like this one, so that's what that looks like. The next color we have here is called Taupe-Less. And Taupe-Less, as you can see, is opaque. Now, on these swatches, I did 2 coats on the swatches and 1 coat of no wipe top coat. And this is Taupe-Less. It is a nude, I would say more on the brown side of the nudes. Definitely a nude beige, but more brown. The next color we have is called Nude Swings. Now, Nude Swings is starting to become more of a peachy beige color. I think you can see that a little bit better like that. More of a peachy beige. 2 coats. For my long nails, I only need 2, but I feel like I'm almost doing 3 coats, and it smooths out very nicely, dries very nicely. I had no problems with applying these colors. The next color that we have here is starting to become more on the pink tones, and this is called Bear With Me. And as you can see, this is starting to have a little bit more pink in it compared to the last color, which was more peach. I really like this. Towards the end, I will have pictures, I believe, using this particular color. And then our next color is so pretty. You wouldn't even really think that based on this little swatch here that it was actually lighter. And this is Copper Out. And as you can see, it has a little bit of a sheen there. Almost looks glittery, but I believe it's more like pearlized. That's what it looks like to me. And it is more of a rosy copper, and that is Copper Out. The next color that we have here is definitely a pink nude, and that is Tan Lines. Now this is a perfect nude for my skin tone. It does have pink in it, but it's more like a pink brown color. You can see that there. That is Tan Lines. I really love using this without putting any nail art over it. You will definitely see these next 2 colors. Do I have them in order? Yes, I do. Okay. So these next 3 colors I have used on nail art, and you will definitely see that in the picture that will be shown. This is the Bee's Knees, which is a beautiful golden yellow, not quite mustard yellow, but I would say more of a golden tone. Very, very pretty. 2 coats, full opacity. Love that color. And I used it, I'm going to show them together, with this next color here, which is called Poor Decisions. So I have them together to show to you. Poor Decisions. And you can see how Poor Decisions right here looks more of it's a yellow, but it's more muted, I would say. It's not as bright as the bee's knees that you see there. So this one is Poor Decisions. And now we're getting more into the deeper colors, and that would be this next row here. And this is a Swiss chocolate brown. That's what I would call it. And it's called Treasure the Night. Treasure the Night. And that shine is the top coat, but this is what it looks like. And I do believe it's more in a chocolatey brown. And now we're into more of a reddish brown. Little bit of orange tones in there. And that is Marilyn Merlot. Get that right for you. There you are, Marilyn Merlot. That's what that color looks like. So pretty. Then we're getting into some cool tones here. So this next color is Femme Fatale. And this is a gray. But this gray has a blue undertone. I definitely can see that within the color. Let's see. Nice muted gray, more of a warm tone. Definitely, to my eyes, it has a blue undertone in there. But the next color that you will see is a cool tone gray, more like cement, but a little bit darker. That is Smoky Smog. See that there? Yes, so pretty. Definitely more cool tone. So let me show you those 2 grays together. And one will look actually brown. So this is your Smoky Smog, and this one is your Femme Fatale. And this starts to look more on a brown tone, but it is a gray. So I thought that was a beautiful color to try out. Alright, the last 3 that we have are ombres. And hopefully on the swatch stick, from me rubbing on it, you will be able to see the color change. So with this first one here, it is Dream Catcher. And look, you can almost see it changing colors there. So let me put this down and kind of rub on it a little. So you have that beautiful kind of lilac blue that goes into that pinky purple there. Hot water will change it, cold water will change it. And as of right now, you can see the color is definitely changing. Going back, the main color is going to be more of the blue tone there. And that is Dreamcatcher. These next 2 are quite dark, but hopefully you will be able to see. I'm going to rub on it a little bit. Okay, so here we have La La Land. La La Land goes to a deep burgundy. into almost a hot pink. Hot cold water will change it. And as you can see, it is already changing colors right before your eyes. I'm definitely going to purchase more of the ombres. Just the ones that I wanted were out of stock. So I will get to that ASAP. And this last one, it's a little hard to see the color shift. Okay, but you will see it goes from, once again, a dark cranberry into a deep burgundy. So the dark cranberry is mainly on the tip. As you can see, the deep burgundy is on the top. This is Vicious Villains. I really like that color. You have to remember the two tones when you put your nail art over it. But I really like the effect that it's already ombre. And as I rub across the top, you can see the color change. So yes, as you can see, I had the swatches already done because this helps me pick out my color options when I'm getting ready to do my nails. Please stay tuned for the pictures that I have below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about Kiara Skye that I didn't mention in this video, by all means leave your questions below or head over to the website. I'm quite sure they have answers for all of your questions there. And I will leave you by saying to all, be blessed. Wear your makeup, save your money, try Kiara Skye, and NueNew will see you in a few days with the next video. Bye.
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that?